A new rule affecting transgender youth in Florida could take effect at any time now. Florida health leaders met hours ago to discuss how they'll impose a ban on gender-affirming care for minors. 10 Tampa Bay's Miguel Octavio shares how critics are now pushing back.
I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for this treatment.
Critics of Florida's upcoming ban on gender-affirming care for minors,
This is going to cause a lot of self-harm.
Had one likely last say in front of the two state boards who approved the rule last November.
And without it, many lives will cease to exist.
Critics from groups like Equality Florida spoke out beforehand, arguing the prohibitions will harm trans kids.
Transgender people are human beings, and we should be seen as human beings and treated as such.
I believe these treatments on minors are reckless and irresponsible.
Those in favor of a ban, though, say it's the current treatments harming kids.
Overwhelming data does not support.
The boards argue they want to prevent irreversible harm, plus they say there's lack of research.
There's lots of physicians that feel differently.
But the ban goes against recommendations from several health institutions. Opposers say their intention to protect actually does the opposite.
The trans people deserve to be happy just like anyone else, and that's why we're here to fight.
This may not be the last word from critics. They vow to challenge the state. Already, they filed a lawsuit after the removal of Medicaid coverage for transgender treatments in Florida. Miguel Octavio, 10 Tampa Bay.
Also new this week, students in Florida must also share their sex assigned at birth with schools. Critics argue it targets transgender student athletes. The board in charge says the change is necessary to be compliant with Florida's Fairness in Women's Sports Act.